express the following. Express the following in the form of P by Q, P by Q, P by Q, where P and Q are integers. ठीक है, these are integers. Okay. Next question is 0.6 bar. Suppose here P by Q is equal to 0.6 bar. P by Q is equal to 0.666. Okay. Bar में it is equation number 10 PQ 10 का मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. We are multiplying 10 over it. 10 P by Q. The 10 PQ. So 6.666. Now second subtracted by first. सेकंड में से फर्स्ट को हम माइनस करते हैं. वी आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग. देन 10 P by Q minus P by Q equal to 6.666. This cancel out. 6. P by Q. 10 minus 1. P by Q taking common. It is 9. 9 into P by Q is equal to 6. Then P by Q is equal to 6 upon 9. 3 2 ja 3 3 ja. Then P by Q is equal to 2 by 3. The check point is here. 2 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 3 0 ja 20. 3 6 ja 18. Remainder 2. Decimal है. That's why it is there is decimal 2. 18. That's it. Okay.